Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable allow Find My Device to lock or erase a lost device on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Swipe down to the bottom. Then tap on other security settings. And then go down and tap on device admin apps. And up here, tap on Find My Device switch to turn it on or off. So if I switch it on, you can see this will give Find My Device the permission to erase all data, change the screen lock the screen, disable some screen lock features. And then tap on activate. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.